Hello, good morning. Sorry for the delay. It was a confusion in the hour. Okay, let me just share the presentation. Give me just a minute. I'm ready. Okay, my name is Hector Pacheco, and I'm the Pro Manager in Radio Communications at EPCOM. Thank you for joining this webinar about the different solutions that we have in EPCOM. I will be answer all the questions at the end of the presentation. Don't be afraid to ask anything if you have any doubt. Okay, let's start with who is ICOM. ICOM was founded in Osaka, in Japan, in 1954. It's a publicity traded company specializing in communications devices, initially focused on amateur radios. It has since diversified the marine, radio communications, aviation, and commercial, and the receivers for different markets. Let's start for the analog radios. We have here the F200. It's ideal for commercial and security operations. It's for a small business, compact, with a great design. You can charge it with Type C. It's 2,350 milliamperes. This is the battery. 2 watts power output. Maybe you can have 1 mile if you have no interference, up to 15 hours operation, IP54 certifications. The certification military standard 810 is a certification that defines test methods to probe equipment can withstand extreme environmental conditions like shocks, vibrations, and extreme temperatures. Mm, And the box function. These functions can allow you to use a microphone. You can activate the radio audio only when it detects your voice. You can have 4 program channels. Uh, with these channels, you can use them to activate the scan function or the emergency alert or eh, any option that you need for your communications. It has 1 year warranty. The next one is the F3001 in VHF and for UHF F4001. This one ICOM have it discontinued, and we still have it, and we have it in a great price. It has 800 milliwatts audio power, 2 programmable keys, read and write password, with this password, you can the software don't let you to read it or write it. Lock against reading, can you can read it with with any software. Normal and priority channel scanning. Let's see how it works. The first one, the normal scanning. The radio scans through all the channels in its list one by one. It stops only when it detects someone talking on a channel. In the priority channel, the radio continually scans normally, but it frequently and quickly checks one specific channel you have set as the priority channel. And 16 programmable channels. And the last feature is the lone worker function. How it works, this function is a safety timer. If a worker doesn't check in or move on a programmable time, the radio automatically sends an alarm to let others know they might need help. And this one have 3 years warranty. And for the next one is the F1000 for VHF and F2000 for UHF. As you can see, it has almost the same specifications as the last one. And now we'll start with the mobile radios. We're still in analog radios. The features are the front mount 4-watt speaker, the lock against reading, is programmable with the minimum volume. If you program the minimum volume is 5, you only can the radio just let you no don't let you go lower than 5. 4 programmable buttons, 8 programmable channels, auto dial by DTMF, and the voice encryption with the cards. As we can see, the UT 119R, UT 110R. And we still have the 3 years warranty. And the next one, with this one, we have a display with alphanumeric characters, the lock against reading, read, write, and power on password, 128 programmable channels, the voice encryption with the key cards, and the normal and priority channel scanner. We already saw how it works. And the 6 programmable buttons. We have a VHF and UHF. And still we have the warranty of with 3 years. Now we are going to see the digital radios. As you can see, this one have a lot of more features. We're going to start with the F1100D. We have it without display, with display and 4 buttons, and with display and complete DTMF. It has IP67 submersible, 1500 milliwatts audio power, almost double the power comparing with the analog radios. Reading and writing password, lock against reading, channel announcer, 16 programmable channels. You can operate the radio in trunking and conventional multi-site mode, NXDN digital encryption with 32,767 codes, and GPS with the microphone HM 171 GP, sending on and off messages. When you turn on or off the radio, it's going to send a message to the other radios. You can see it in the radios with display. And two programmable click keys. You can work with in digital or analog. And we have it in VHF or UHF also. We still have the military standard certification. Let's see the next one, F52D. We have it with the US certification if you need the intrinsically safe version. It is IP67 certification that is submergible with the microphone HM 233 GP. You can have the option for the GPS. This one has the Bluetooth option if you want to add a Bluetooth microphone, audio accessories. Operates in conventional multi-site mode, conventional trunking, and multi-trunk. And also you can use the NXDN encryption. As you can see, this one have a lot of more channels, 512 programmable channels. You can send alias to the air. It has the vibration alert when you have a call or a message. A 14 channel displays LCD display, and the voice recorder. You can record up to 8 minutes, and you can work in digital or analog. And the next one is the F3400. We have different versions. It's submersible IP68. It includes built-in the GPS. It has Bluetooth, the voice recorder, operates in conventional multi-site mode, conventional trunking, and multi-trunk. And it has 1024 programmable channels and vibration alert, NXDN encryption, and DES type encryption for built-in keys 4, and the AES encryption. That this one is optional. You can work in digital or analog. And for this one, we have 5 years warranty. And now we are going to move to the mobile radios in digital. The 5220, we have it in VHF and UHF. Operates in digital or analog mode. We have the read and write password, operates in conventional multi-site mode, conventional trunking, and multi-trunk. It has the button scan function, 128 programmable channels, and the GPS via if you use an antenna and the connection harness. And we have the encryption, the normal encryption, 32,767 codes, and 5 watts in VHF, and 45 watts in UHF. And the next one is the F5400 or 5500 in VHF and 6400 for UHF. Operates in analog, digital, or mixed mode. You can work with radios in analog and digital at the same time. And next, digital encryption, GPS with the receiver antenna, uh, remote radio monitoring via air, 2024 or 99 channels. You can choose between those options of radios. Operates in conventional multi-site mode, conventional trunking, and multi-trunk. 50 watts in VHF and 45 watts in UHF. And the Bluetooth is already included. And now we pass the radio mobiles, and the next one is the repeater. You can work in analog or digital as you wish. Operate operates in analog, digital, and mixed mode. The NXDN digital encryption, 50 watts, 50% duty cycle, 25 watts at 100 cycle of work. This is a recommendation. Panel for 16 ton of RAM. The RAM is the NXDN encryption, ready for mounting in a 19-inch rack. Operates in conventional, multi-site mode, conventional trunking, and multi-trunk. Configurable DB25 connector, can operate in simplex mode too. We have it in VHF or UHF. And with this one, we have the 3 years warranty. Okay, thank you for assist to this webinar showing the devices that we have at ICOM. Anything if you need, you can send an email to your sales reps and he can send you a quote or anything. Thank you for your time.